Christine here. So today's video is all about my New Year's resolution, which is to exercise more. So anyways, I'm going to unbox this Stamina InTone Plus 38-inch rebounder. So this is basically, it's a lightweight cardio that you can do at home while you're watching TV, whatever it is. So we're going to unbox this today. So there's the hand grips, which also have the resistant tube. There's a safety pad at legs. So before you begin, thank you for choosing da-da-da. Just put this shit together. I hate directions. Before assembling, verify the secure pins are properly inserted to the frame of the ring. Can somebody just put this together for me? Oh, I need 2 people. Always use 2 or more strong people to unfold. I don't have anybody here. This is annoying. Let's just see if I can do it by myself. I have to wait for somebody to come home. Yeah, what if nobody lives with you? You want to put this together? How did my sister put this together? There's so much tension that it won't let me do it on my own. I need 2 strong people, and I'm not one of them. 2 strong people. I don't have 2 strong people. Does it say like what happens if you don't have 2 strong people? Wait for my boyfriend to come home for me to actually do this because I cannot put this together. So once he comes home and we clip it together, then I'll unbox the rest, okay? There's different exercises that you can do. Military press, triceps, kickback, biceps curl, plie squat with strong arms, triceps overhead extension, upright roars. So that's pretty cool, I think. Contact rounds, hamstring curls, jog in place, jumping jacks side to side, twist and bounce. So the latter ones are without the resistance bands. They do recommend that you stretch before doing this. So stretch your lower back, stretch your torso, do some floor stretches, and then some overlay stretches. Rebounder works these muscle groups, the pectorals, right here, the biceps, right here, abdominals, right here, abductor, oh, that's in here. Okay, I need that. There's a 1-year warranty and 90-day part warranty. A fitness meter, which is kind of cool. That fitness meter helps with your time, calories, strides, and how many minutes you're on there. My boyfriend actually came in here and I did not record it, but I'll show you. So what he did is he actually just snapped it down in place and making sure that your fingers don't get stuck on this point. Okay, so these go on all around. There, got it. Yes, whoa. So your little padding is on and around. Let's just see. Next. I don't know which one is not on there. This is done. So now we put the sensor on. So it goes like this. So we have to make sure that it's upside down this way. And then this senses how it works. Woo! This is a lot of work. I'm almost done though. So once this is in, it's locked in place. I'm going to place this inside one of the legs. Let's do this one right here. And pop that little lid off, put this in here, place the cap back on. Done. And then we're going to do the other side. Okay, let's see if this works. do the fitness meter, and we're all set. Thanks so much for watching this video. I'm Christine. Subscribe to my channel while you're here. I'll see you in the next video.